Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Oh, sige.
1, 2, 3, hila! Ulit! Okay, 1.
Wait lang, wait. Kumaka lang iba. Ah, sige. Ay, sandali. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, hila! Make a wish, girl. Close your eyes.
Wow.
Okay, then, kunagi lang.
Ah, okay. Naka-video naman eh.
Wow! Say wow!
Ganyan din ako eh, ng pictures ko.
Wow! Clap, clap, clap!
Wow!
Yay! What will you say? Thank you, Mama. Say mo ah.
Video ko.
I-vlog-vlog.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Patingin. Wow, doctor. Oh, next to naman kay Ate Iya naman. From Ate Iya. Yes, si open. Si open from Ate Iya. Ate Iya, help mo nga siya.
Come here. Ganyan.
Ayan, kasama ka na sa vlog nila. Ah, sige na, open mo naman yung gift ni Mama. Oh, open mo yung gift ko. Yes, damit doctor. Bigay ni Mami Ice. Ano sasabihin mo kay Mami Ice? Ha? Nahirapan kayo?
Excited siya sa doctors niya. Mama,
Asan kayo sa kuya dyan? Wala pa?
Oo. Iyan mo na kasi. Kumain ka na ba?